everybody. Sheena from Let the Sunshine asked me today how I put a song onto my video, and I decided to make a tutorial about how I did it. So what I do is, recently I posted a video titled Stuff I Do Electric Tandem Bicycling, and I put over the clips I filmed the song Don't Panic by Coldplay.
Homes, places we've grown, all of us are done for. We live in a beautiful.
So I've learned now after making some videos that when a random song pops into my head, I will go to YouTube and look up that song and music video and screenplay the music video on my phone. And that's what I did here. I thought of the song Beautiful World by Coldplay, and I looked up the music video, and it's actually called Don't Panic, and I screen recorded the music video. Then after I have that music video recorded, I go to the InShot app on my phone, open that up, choose video and new, and then I select the clips that I want to make my video, including the video I recorded of the Coldplay music video. Then InShot will put all of these clips I selected back to back. I put the music video clip at the very end. And then what I do, I edit the music video portion to cut out any commercials or any extra stuff that I recorded in the beginning. And you do that by finding the spot you want to split or cut the clip, and you use the split function, and then it splits it, and then you click on that portion you want to delete and you delete it. Now I click on the music tab and it will bring up to the music, and I click on the clip with the music video and I click on extract audio, and that will separate the audio from the actual video footage. And now I can move that audio to other parts of my video, and I put it all the way to the front at the beginning of my clips. And now the music is laying on top of my other videos. Now I can move this bar of audio around on top of my existing videos if I want to move it into a different spot. Or I can click on the edit function and change the volume of the music. I can also click on my existing clips and change the volume of the clips themselves if I want the clips to be louder than the music, or if I want to make the sounds louder. I can also duplicate this audio bar if I want it to repeat to cover like the rest of my video clips. I can have the song repeat, just duplicate that audio bar. Okay, so now that I got the song I wanted on my video, I can go back to my clips and just delete that whole video that I recorded, because I have the sound disconnected from the video. And see, when I play my video clips, the music is over the video, and now I just save all the clips and I have my video.